In general, for the types of problems we are concerned with, there's basically going to be three cases. We choose u to be one of the following. First of all, it can be the quantity under the root or that's raised to a power. Second, it can be the exponent on a base of e. Third, it's the quantity in the denominator. Remember that some integrands may need to be rearranged to fit one of these cases. This is just very general. There are other situations where you might need to do something different, but for the most part, these three rules will help you to figure out what the u is going to be. Here we have the antiderivative of the quantity 2t minus 1 times e to the quantity t squared minus t dt. Now when I look at this, I see that there's a base of e here, so my guess would be that the u needs to be this power. And that's a pretty good guess because the derivative of that u is this piece out in front. So that's a good hint that I can use the du to swallow up the 2t minus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as the antiderivative of e to the t squared minus t times the quantity 2t minus 1 times dt. So let's let u equals t squared minus t. That means that du dt is 2t minus 1. So if I multiply both sides here by dt, du is the quantity 2t minus 1 times dt. So we see that all of this is going to become du, and this piece is going to become e to the u. Since we know how to take the antiderivative of e to the u du, we're on the right track. So that's what I need to do. I need to take the antiderivative of e to the u du. That's just e to the u plus c. Now that we've done the antiderivative, we'll just put u back in. So we get e to the t squared minus t plus c.